Hello and welcome to another Photoshop video where today I am going to show you how to download and import brushes into Photoshop. So we're going to use the brush tool for this. So I'm assuming you know how to use the brush tool if you're watching this video. It's one of the most basic tools in Photoshop, really. Maybe other. So you've got a couple of choices. When you open up the menu, you've got some more artistic brushes. But if you want something more specific, then you're going to have to either create a brush yourself, which I'm not going to go into in this video, or go online and download a brush to use. So if you go to your web browser here and go to brusheasy.com, I found it to be quite a good place to find Photoshop brushes. What you're going to want to do is find a brush that you want. So I've gone for snow here because I need to use snow. And then you're just going to hit that free download button here and then choose a place in your file explorer to save the brush. I've already downloaded it, and then save it, and then go into your file explorer and find it like I have here. And if you're on Windows 10, you can go up to the top here and hit extract all. I'm sure there will be a similar button on Mac OS, and I think those are the only two platforms you can get Photoshop on. So you're just going to want to hit extract, and it will extract those brushes into a new folder, and that is an ABL file. So Photoshop brushes are an ABL file, and you don't want to click on it to open it or anything, so you can close both of these tabs, then head back into Photoshop, go on the brush tool, so that's hit B or select it in the bar at the side. So I'll hit B to go into the brush tool, then go to that little arrow at the top where you choose your brush, then go over to the right and hit the little settings icon, the gear or cog or whatever you call it, and then you're going to want to go down the list and hit import brush. Then once you've done that, click on the area where you've saved it on your PC. So I've got mine in a folder called brushes. Then go into the folder that's downloaded, that's been extracted from the zip, and there you have your ABL file. And you're going to want to click your ABL file, hit load, which is in the bottom right on Windows. And once you've hit that, you should be able to scroll down to the bottom and see a group or a folder which contains all your brushes. So from Brusheasy, you usually get kind of 10-15 brushes with every download. So you can just select one, and there you go. That's pretty much it. You can select, you can resize it and everything. I'll also take this opportunity to point out that you can get all sorts of brushes on Brusheasy. It's not just snow. So earlier today I downloaded smoke brushes, fire brushes. You can get all sorts. The likelihood is if you need a brush style, they'll have it on there. So yeah, I'd say that's the end of the video now. I don't think there's anything else I need to talk about. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Bye.